how to download Grindr app and sign up. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download the Grindr app and sign up for it, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To download it, head over to your app store, search for Grindr, hit the install button based on the operating system that you're using. If the app is available, just make sure to download the app. It may take a couple of seconds to finish the installation process, so let us come back after the installation has been completed. Now after the installation is complete, I'm simply going to open the Grindr application here, and then here you can see the sign up button. You can just tap the sign up option from the top right. You can agree to the terms and conditions, tap on I accept, tap on next, and tap on the accept option, and simply make sure to choose your birth date. That would make you over 18 years of age, so be careful on this one. Once you've done this, just hit the arrow option, then just tap the next option over here. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. Once I've entered that, just tap the next option. So make sure to choose an email address for yourself that you want to maybe use it, and once you make sure to actually enter the email address, also make sure to enter a password, confirm the password, agree to the terms and conditions, tap on create account, and you have successfully signed up for Grindr. This way you can download as well as sign up for Grindr app. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.